Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I'm in my bedroom showing you the fan. I took the blades off of this Lasko fan. When you turn it on when the blades are not attached, it kind of sounds like like a garage door opener AC motor that buzzes. That's the noise that I was talking about. That's the sound for it. It kind of sounds like a garage door opener AC motor buzzing when the blades are not attached. Alright, hope you enjoyed this unique video. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.